In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your stop losses on Metatrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to confirm your levels on the chart so you can manage risk confidently. A stop loss is the price where your platform will automatically close a trade to cap losses, while a take profit is the price where it will close to secure gains. Both are essential, and you'll set them either on an active chart or directly from a new order ticket. Start by signing into your Metatrader account and opening your trading terminal. Make sure you're in the correct account and that market data is updating in real time. Once you're in, get the chart or symbol you're actually planning to trade on screen. This helps you see current price, recent volatility, and any significant levels that might influence where you place your stop loss and take profit. Next, click the symbol you want to trade. You can select it from your watch list or by clicking the Chart tab for that instrument. When you do, the trading panel or order interface appears, giving you fields where you can specify your stop loss and take profit. If you already have an open position on this symbol, you'll be able to modify it. If not, you can set these levels as part of a new order, which I'll show you in a moment. Enter your stop loss value first. This is an exact price, not just a distance. As a guideline for a buy trade, the stop loss belongs below the current price or your entry. For a sell trade, it belongs above. Use the correct number of decimals for the instrument and keep an eye on the spread and recent swings so you don't set it unrealistically tight. Many traders think in terms of pips or a specific monetary risk, then convert that into a price level. If your platform shows distance and points as you type, that can help you confirm you're setting the risk you intend. Now add your take profit. For a buy, that goes above price. For a sell, below. Consider your reward to risk ratio here. Even a straightforward one-to-one can work for testing, but make sure the level aligns with visible structure on the chart and the typical range for the session you're trading. Again, enter an exact price, check the decimals, and verify it's on the correct side of the market. If you prefer to start from a fresh ticket instead of modifying on chart, click New Order. This opens a clean order form where you can define everything before you place the trade. In the order ticket, fill in the take profit field with your target price. Confirm it matches your plan and sits at a logical level based on the chart. Then fill in the stop loss field. If your broker requires a minimum distance from current price, the platform may warn you, so adjust if needed. Before sending the order, double check that the symbol, order type, lot size, stop loss, and take profit are all exactly as intended. A quick review prevents simple input mistakes. Once your order is placed or your position is modified, look at the chart. The green line you see is your take profit. This visual marker helps you confirm that your target is where you expect it to be. Hovering over it usually shows the exact price, and you can compare that with what you type to make sure there's no mismatch. You'll also see a red line, which is your stop loss. Verify it's on the correct side of price and at the distance you planned. If market conditions change and you need to adjust, you can return to the same fields or modify the position from the chart interface. That's all there is to it. Sign in, choose your symbol, set your stop loss and take profit, or use a new order ticket to define them before entering. Always confirm the lines on your chart and review your numbers before you click. Practice this on a demo first and use consistent risk rules so your trades stay disciplined and repeatable.